You alright, bro?
I said the Russians are here.
You said what?
The Russians are here.
Who is that?
Me.
You? What the f? Oh my god, you look so cute, my little chocolate bunny.
Hey, yo!
Hey, bro, my fault.
I saw this absolute creature at an Irish pub, and I'm just fascinated by him. I mean, look at him. I mean, this is the cyberpunk future. We're living in it.
Oh yeah, what's your favorite game in the Xbox library? Oh, I don't know. Probably Turn Up Boy Commits Tax Evasion.
Alright. I say,
Insert cash or select payment type.
Dragonfly. Cricket. Cow.
sweet! Oh no, Ion Tariki! Ha!
I fucked up. Oh my god.
My bro just made a Pringle Ringle. I can put it through the hole.
What? That's a phenomenon.
What's a game that you absolutely love, but nobody else cares about?
Well, my favorite game is Stephen Hawking Pro Wheelchair.
Oh, a little steamed bun, I see. Try to hide as others do, but you can't escape the pee-pee poo-poo.
Hey, yo, what type of time is Popeyes on, man? Hold up, wait for it. Look what's about to pop up.
It's gonna be
Wait. Look at the sign up there.
What sign?
What the fuck is this?
All right, march down and hit. Drive. Henderson, what the hell are you doing?
Excuse me. Sir? Bruh.
I'm not Muslim or anything, but this has to be haram. The Nike hijab? And they fucking stole it. Allah will punish you.
You a trick, bud? Alright, not bad.
Look at me, I'm playing Apex Legends. And I hope I'm gonna win. Ah! I won.
That was insane. Clip that.
Pizza time, Papa. Here you go.
Holy shit, look at all that meat!
I really hope I don't trip and spill my drink.
Damn, boy.
Oh, man. You seen that, didn't you? Look here. What you seen today gonna have to stay between us. Cause, it'd be a shame if something happened to you.
Hey, yo, how much you trying to sell that bitch for, man? What are you trying to sell this vehicle for? Man, I want to buy this bitch right now, you heard me? I'd like to purchase this motor vehicle. Yeah!
Police department, search warrant.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
You can read it. Happy birthday, Peter. You're morbidly a beast. The fuck?
So we're in the Sonic drive-in, right? Waiting for our food. We look to our left. There's a fucking squirrel eating a chicken breast.
Finally got both.
boba. You got your boba, Harry?
Finally got it.
One. Hey man, what's a G spot? Oh, it's when you touch the spot and then she goes, gee whiz.
I'm getting off of work. Look at this shit. What type shit? This is Connecticut. This is a whole different breed at work. No.
Take a Jesus figurine, stick him on some Jiffy Pop. Boom, he has risen.
Is it light work? Light work.
All right, 3.
You ready?
Yo, Alex, how'd it go?
Oh, no, go.
You guys want to see what it's like to be me? Point of view, your light summer Korea about to go get a fresh beverage from the fucking
Young boy in the cut with the hors d'oeuvres. Feel me? My fucking.
Bang, bang.
Bang, bang, you dead. Gay ass motherfucker.
This is why I can't trust mechanics unsupervised.
And you know, you remind me of somebody.
Who?
You remind me of, I think, of Will Smith.
Maybe.
You get that a lot, huh?
Literally, all you have to do is work smarter, not harder. That's why you stay losing, my guy.
Woke up this morning with a little bit of PTSD, so I'm gonna have some Martinelli to calm me.
Someone you think is not what they seem, especially if they might be the imposter in the game Among Us. Matea, what is sus?
I've just started this calypso. It is fucking minging. Paradise Punch Lemonade. It is fucking minging. Suck your dad. It's minging. It's fucking minging.
It's Halloween, which means we dress up as dead people, so I'm gonna be going as my friend's dad. Bleh. I drowned in a river.
It is taumata whakatangihanga ko o o tamatia turi puka ka piki maunga horo nuku pukai whenua ki tāna tahu.
Oh, I see it now. Point to the arms. I see it now. I couldn't see it right at first. I thought there was Easter Bunny titties.
Where did you put the trash?
I literally put it right there.
Well, couldn't just grow legs and walk away.
Oh, you hear? One more.
Damn. I don't think they passed.
Yeah, it's good. I like it.
No! They tore down Shoney's! Where am I gonna find low-priced, horrible seafood?
Oh, Japanese.
Welcome to the party. Come on in. Don't worry, there's a lot of people coming. They're just not here right now. We got the drinks here. This bad boy will automatically destroy people. I'm talking to him, and I'm talking to you.
We asked Thomas here how he thinks vacuums work, and he replied, "This is just my job. I don't give a fuck about vacuums." Haha, well said, Thomas. The vacuum's life support is plugged in.
Johnny, what's up with you? They put the handle on both sides.
I don't get what's the point of these dumbass leaf blowers, bro. That's the leaf's habitat right there, and behind that little bush. What's the point of blowing it here in the street with their dumbass backpacks? Shit is a mess, bro. I'm about to take that one and blow it back into the bush.
Oh. It doesn't matter if you're black or white. It doesn't matter if you're black or white. Wow. Welcome to Germany. Yeah. It was a good flight. Oh.
I'm already done, bro.
Just walking down the street, bro. Dude gave me everything he had in his pocket, bro. Everything. And I don't know why.
No, no! Oh!
Stop playing with me! Stop playing with me! You already know I got the strap on me. Red dot sight. You already know I got the full grip. Extended mag. Fuck out of here. I'm the walking definition of a Warzone loadout.
Oh, good.
Okay, you know, okay.
Look, honey.
Fuck you, bitch.
I'm sorry, mama, but it's time. You keep eating my chicken, and I'm tired of it.
Jimmy, you want some crawfish, Jimmy? Jimmy! Jimmy! Hey, you want some crawfish?
How is this every time I get on my bike?
Spending a few days in Colorado to finally figure out what these are for. Big Hill meat wheel disc. Let's see what we can make happen. I figured out what I can make happen. I put most of this CBD bath potion in here. And I'm fucked up, man. I just carried this giant freaking box up here. And one of the freaking boxes is just an empty box. It literally says empty freaking box. Why would you make me carry that?
You know the guy's name that you yell out every single time you shoot paper into a trash?
Yeah, John Wilkes Booth.
Well, he died. Wait, what? Francis, why would you yell his name? He's the guy that shot Abe Lincoln.
I know, terrible guy, but he never missed a shot. Game recognizes.
Hey, yo, welcome to Inconvenience Store. I'm gonna be following you around, knocking shots your hand, standing in front of you, just making it hard for you to shop.
You serious?
Deadass, sir. It's my job.
Alright. Chill, man. Hey, I have to do a cosplay real quick. How are my facial expressions? Oscar-worthy! Genuine! I have never seen someone express so much as you.
Go mad! Go absolutely bananas! Go bloody bonkers! You alright, bro? Oh, damn.